Hi there, my name is Yevhen, I am a technician from local company Appliance Service Guys. Subscribe to my Fix Lab right now, so you don't miss a single video from a series of fascinating and informative repairs of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. In this video I will repair a Kenmore Elite dishwasher. Reason for service call. During the washing process, error code E15 appeared on the dishwasher display. For diagnostics, I took out the Kenmore Elite dishwasher from the furniture. I went into the service mode and looked at the stored dishwasher error codes in the memory. There is only one error code in the dishwasher's memory, E15. The aqua-stop system has worked. The dishwasher is depressurized and has a leak. I unplug the dishwasher and do a visual inspection of the sump. As expected, there was water in the sump, which activated the emergency mode of the dishwasher and is the reason for the appearance of error code E15 on the display. I remove all the water, connect the dishwasher and run it in wash mode to find the source of the leak. I notice that water is dripping from under the sump gasket. The reason has been found. I am starting to fix the leak step by step. I remove the dishwasher sump and dismantle the plastic flask, which is secured with 4 self-tapping screws. I thoroughly clean the flask and body of the dishwasher from dirt. The dishwasher manufacturer has provided an extra gasket dishwasher sump seal to eliminate leaks in the sump flask. I install this gasket and screw the flask to the body. Important points during assembly. First, to attach the sump, I need to use screws of a large diameter. They are supplied complete with a gasket. Secondly, I should tighten them evenly and use a hand screwdriver to avoid stripping their threads. After the dishwasher sump seal is installed, I assemble the Kenmore Elite dishwasher and turn on the washing mode to check. Success! I made sure that the leak was fixed and built the dishwasher into the furniture. Kenmore Elite dishwasher is ready to use. You subscribe and like. I am making new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.